This is CS952 Introduction to Web Technologies and Design. And we're going to explore showing and hiding elements. And part of the Bootstrap framework are what we call visibility classes, which means you can selectively choose to show or hide different elements on your page depending on what kind of device is viewing it. So this is what I'm thinking. If we go to look at this site in mobile view or extra small view, click on the green bar up here, represents extra small view. I don't think we necessarily need to display this image carousel. This image carousel that we created, it's nice, we like it, it looks good. But for someone who's viewing this on a mobile device, it's going to take a little while. These images are several hundred K. It's going to take a while for them to download, and they're going to be pretty small anyway. And they may not be as interested in looking at these. Remember, someone who's viewing your site on a mobile device, they mostly want to get to information quickly. So to speed up the process and to sort of maximize the mobile viewing experience, we're going to apply a class of hidden extra small to this carousel, which means when the website is viewed with a extra small media breakpoint, 767 pixels or less, hide the image carousel. So here's what we do. I'm going to click over here and I'm going to choose the div that is our image carousel. And I'm going to make the change, really the best place to make this change is by using what we call the quick tag editor. So I just, in my status bar, I just hover over or click on this div, and it tells us right now this div has got a class of carousel and slide, and it's got an ID of carousel 1. I'm going to right click, and this opens up our quick tag editor. And so it says div ID equals class equals carousel slide. So I'm going to click right after the word slide, but before that closing quotation mark. We need to keep it inside of that quotation mark. I'm going to type space and then hidden, HIDDEN dash XS. Okay? So I'm adding this class, hidden dash XS. That's all I need to do. I can just click out of this editing field. I don't want to hit enter. And look, as soon as I did that, it's gone. That's because we're viewing this in the extra small view. So someone loading this on a mobile device, this is what they'd see. This is great. It's going to take them right to the information we want them to see. If they want to go to a featured page, click on gallery, takes them straight to our gallery page. We're not actively linking the pages right now. We're still in Dreamweaver. And as soon as I make this a little bit larger, as soon as I go to that larger breakpoint, if I scroll up, my image carousel is back. Hidden in extra small view, available in small view. That's great. Let's go ahead and hit save now. Now we're going to do something similar. Remember, we have this search tool that's kind of handy when we're working with the website. Let's hit F12. I'm going to scroll down here, and as soon as you'll notice as soon as our navigation changes, we're in extra small view. And let's go down to probably something more typical for an iPhone. If I click here on our menu, this search tool is kind of taking up a lot of room. And I don't know if someone who's come to our website as a mobile user really wants to do a Google search at this point. They really just want information probably about the Pencil website. So how do we hide this? Very similar, just slightly different process. We're going to go back to Dreamweaver. And this is a change not to a single page, but a change to our navigation bar, a change that's going to affect every page on our website. Whenever we make those changes, remember, we're always working with our template. So let's close our home page. We're going to close our text files for now, and let's open up our template. Here it is, template. I'm going to scroll up here. I'm going to double click on template. And what we want to do is we want to hide that form. Remember, this was a form element that we modified. So in my status bar, I can click right here where it says form. This whole tool that we use to search, it's all contained inside that form tag. And again, I'm going to right click, open up my quick tag editor, and it says the class is navbar-form, navbar-left. So again, I will click and put my cursor inside of this class attribute. We have the attribute class equals, and then quotes what? Navbar form, navbar left. I'm going to hit space and type again HIDDEN dash XS, hidden extra small, and again just need to click off Okay, now I'm going to hit Save All, and when we do, right, we get the update template files, right, because now it's going to update all of our pages. Let's hit Update, let's hit Close, and let's hit F12 to preview. So we can see here's our Google search tool. And once I collapse this down and we go to, right, you can see our menus changing right there, right, because we can see we've got the, some people call this the hamburger little menu button. We click on that. Now our Google search tool has been removed. If we look at, this is our page from before. If we click here, we can see that we still have our Google search. If I hit F5 to refresh this page and click on our navigation, now it's gone. Okay, that's an example of using show and hide for our website.